Welcome to this video on exploring AI disciplines and their transformative impact across industries. We will delve into AI techniques that are revolutionizing multiple sectors.
Understanding AI begins with its core disciplines, including natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. These foundations enable machines to interpret and perform complex tasks. This video is brought to you by Technovative AI, the company that helps you leverage cutting-edge AI technology to streamline operations, boost productivity, and accelerate growth.
Natural language processing, or NLP, allows computers to understand and generate human language. NLP powers tools like chatbots and virtual assistants, seamlessly bridging communication.
Computer vision empowers machines to interpret visual information. This includes accurate object and face recognition, emotion detection, and applications in surveillance and autonomous vehicles. Robotics focuses on designing autonomous machines to perform complex tasks. By integrating AI and mechanics, robots enhance efficiency in manufacturing, healthcare, and exploration.
Beyond the core disciplines, we explore advanced AI techniques and approaches, which solve complex problems and improve decision-making capabilities.
Expert systems replicate human expertise in specialized domains like medical diagnosis. They simulate human reasoning to provide reliable and consistent advice. Neural networks and deep learning leverage brain-inspired models for sophisticated data analysis. They enable breakthroughs in image recognition and speech processing. Reinforcement learning trains AI agents using environment-based rewards and penalties. This is crucial for developing autonomous systems in robotics and gaming.
AI is transforming industries by enhancing efficiency and accuracy. Now let's look at the applications of AI across key sectors.
In healthcare, AI improves diagnostic accuracy and facilitates personalized medicine. AI-supported robotic surgery also enhances precision and reduces recovery time. In finance, AI is essential for quickly detecting fraudulent transactions and driving algorithmic trading. It also automates customer service, improving client satisfaction. Retail uses AI for efficient inventory management and personalized product recommendations. It also provides customer behavior analytics to enhance shopping experiences.
AI's influence also extends significantly to manufacturing, transportation, and entertainment. We will now explore these sectors.
In manufacturing, AI enables predictive maintenance to prevent equipment downtime. It also optimizes manufacturing workflows, reducing waste and increasing productivity. For transportation, AI powers autonomous vehicle development, improving safety and mobility. It also optimizes logistics through smart routing and efficient supply chain management. The entertainment industry utilizes AI for personalized content recommendations and immersive virtual reality. AI also drives advanced game development with intelligent behaviors.
In conclusion, AI is a transformative force, with its evolving techniques promising a future of enhanced innovation and efficiency across all aspects of work and life.